Day 46. Reading. The 5 blue zones. Okinawa holds first place among the world's blue zones. In Okinawa, women in particular live longer and have fewer diseases than anywhere else in the world. The 5 regions identified and analyzed by Dane Butler in his book, The Blue Zones are Okinawa, Japan, especially the northern part of the island. The locals eat a diet rich in vegetables and tofu, typically served on small plates. In addition to their philosophy of ikigai, the moai, or close-knit group of friends, plays an important role in their longevity. Second, Sardinia, Italy, especially the province of Nuoro and Oglistra. Locals on this island consume plenty of vegetables and 1 or 2 glasses of wine per day. As in Okinawa, the cohesive nature of this community is another factor directly related to longevity. Third, Loma Linda, California, research studies a group of Seventh-day Adventists who are among the longest living people in the United States. Fourth, the Nicoya Peninsula, Costa Rica, locals remain remarkably active after 19. Many of the region's older residents have no problem getting up at 5:30 in the morning to work in the fields. Ikaria, Greece. 1 of every 3 inhabitants of this island near the coast of Turkey is over 90 years old, compared to less than 1% of the population of the United States. A fact that has earned it the nickname the island of long life. The local secret seemed to be a lifestyle that dates back to 500 BC. In the following chapters, we will examine several factors that seem to be the keys of longevity and are found across the blue zones, paying special attention to Okinawa and its so-called village of longevity. First, however, it is worth pointing out that 3 of these regions are islands, where resources can be scarce and communities have to help one another. For many, helping others might be an ikigai strong enough to keep them alive. According to scientists who have studied the 5 blue zones, the keys of longevity are diet, exercise, finding a purpose in life, an ikigai, and forming strong social ties, that is, having a broad circle of friends and good family relations. Members of these communities manage their time well in order to reduce stress, consume little meat or processed food, and drink alcohol in moderation. They don't do strenuous exercise, but they do move every day, taking walks and working in their vegetables gardens. People in the blue zones would rather walk than drive. Gardening, which involves daily low intensity movement, is a practice almost all of them have in common. Thank you so much.